How did you fall in love with the radio?
Radio. Okay. Ngicela ukuthi media, but the question lengiba nayo ngiyafisa i-media ngabe bekumuntu ukuthi why yona ithanze mina, because I don't think ngayithanza lento le. It's something le yangikhetha. Ngimtshele I don't know lesikhathi, oh thank you guys, lesikhathi ngifonela nithi ngitholele umsebenzi but we won. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi no mfethu, this thing it's a calling and ngiceda ukuyithola nyalo. So radio, we have a radio station ekhaya iBSR FM njengoba usho ngale. Give me ijeni yami ngicala kuyithanza this year na last year. Mangisasemncane kokuqala bekunemngane wami I think ka grade 2 bakhona kumrecorder eBSR athi angalali ngilalele iBSR yabo. So ekhaya bebanokungivisa ukuthi vana umngane wakho la wabo kwabangiloko.